up onto them as are the Sudu BanJaRe and FFB on the far side. But it's the narrow crew on this side, so they may have got a head in front of the DSA crew, but DSA have upped their rating and therefore they're now starting to get catch the narrow crew. Narrow have also now upped their rating as well. Nothing in there with the Sudu BanJaRe across the FFB. With about 100 metres to go, it's the narrow crew. Probably around about half of that length in front of the DSA, Sudu BanJaRe and FFB. We're coming down with about 20 metres to go. It's the narrow crew. Narrow in lane 2 will go across, followed by DSA, then the Sudu BanJaRe and FFB. Now that's unofficial, of course, and the chief water umpire put up the white flag, so therefore nothing's wrong with the race, so we'll wait for the official result. But certainly from where I see Narra over DSA, Sudu BanJaRe and